Hey guys, welcome to Long Nips. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your YouTube channel, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your YouTube channel, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address studio.youtube.com and start enter. And after that you'll be on the studio of your YouTube channel, and before you get over here guys, make sure to be logged into your Google account on which your channel is authenticated. Mine one is this one. Now in order to proceed to delete our channel from the studio, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see, at the bottom left corner of the screen you can see there is the settings icon or the setting option of file default for us. Click on that settings, and after clicking on the settings guys, on this panel you can see there is the channel option available for us. Click on that channel option, and over here scroll down, and over here guys on the advanced settings click on that and scroll down, and you will be able to see over here the manage YouTube content and the remove YouTube content. Now in order to delete your channel, click on the remove YouTube content over here, and then you'll be directed to the whole page of your account, where first you will be required to verify it's you by entering your Google email or your Google account's password. And I have entered my password. Do the same for your account and don't enter or click on next. And after logging into your account by entering your password guys, over here you will be given two options where you will be shown either you want to hide your channel or you want to delete your channel. In order to delete your channel guys, click on this button where it says the following will be deleted with your all of your details, and after that click on this where it says the any paid subscription you own will be also cancelled. You will still have the access until the end of your billing cycle, but it will be still cancelled. And that being done guys, after doing this or clicking these terms and conditions of the Gmail, click on the delete my content option available over here, and then your channel will be deleted. But guys, it will depend. If your channel is a huge one, then it will take some time. If your channel is a new one, it has less contents, then it will be deleted within 48 hours or 24 hours or 12 hours depending upon the size. And with that being said guys, this is how you delete your YouTube channel. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.